Before you start production, it's crucial to understand exactly how your potting compound flows and cures. The rheometer lets us see exactly how it behaves in real time. This tool models your potting process by simultaneously measuring both the flow and deformation of a material. We specifically analyze the storage and loss modulus of the curing thermoset. This gives us data instead of guesswork. It gives us optimum flow time by measuring what the peak storage modulus or crossover point or no flow point is. With this, we can answer critical process questions such as if your material will flow properly in your part, how long it will flow, and when your potted units can be moved safely. The added benefit of the rheometer is its ability to model at elevated temperatures. This data is valuable in reducing cycle times and lowering production costs. From lab testing to full-scale production, the rheometer gives us the data to engineer your success.